Today I'm gonna show you the mermaid makeup look. Start with a clean face. Then I applied a washable glue in my eyebrows to make it disappear entirely. It was actually developed by drag queens. They use glue to cover the brows and create a blank canvas so they can draw the brow shape that they want. I think applying glue is not that safe because it could actually clog your pores more and you could also harm your skin when you remove it. But whatever. I use spoolie brush to brush up my brows so I can flatten down the hair. Wait for a few minutes and let it dry. Once it is already dried, I apply loose powder to set the brows before makeup using a beauty blender sponge. Because if we applied foundation after glue, the oil in the foundation would cause the glue to melt right off. I use another brush to remove excess powder. After that, conceal your eyebrows. Apply generous amount of concealer over your eyebrows using a small brush and blend it with sponge. I'm actually having a hard time to hide my eyebrows because the hairs on my eyebrows are so thick.
Girl, I got no eyebrows and I look pretty cute on it, right? Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is to apply a BB cream or a makeup cover, full cover cream or whatever. So I'm going to use this Careline BB cream whitening on the shade of Fresh. So this product, I've been using this since I was in high school because it makes me look so fresh, I think. And I'm going to mix it with a Dermacol makeup cover. So I'm gonna mix them together and then I'm gonna apply it as my base foundation after the concealer that I just applied on my eyebrows. And then after that, I think I'm gonna apply some eyeshadows on my eyelids so we can start doing the mermaid makeup look. Well, last week I made a poll on what makeup look that I'm going to do on my next vlog. So the choices are a unicorn and a mermaid. So I got a lot of votes from the mermaid makeup look, so that's what I'm doing today. It's a little bit challenge for me because I've been watching this past few days for a mermaid makeup look online and I found it very difficult to do compared to the unicorn one because there's a lot of colors in it. And I always watch on YouTube with all of these makeup gurus that doing makeup videos like every day. I always do that and that's how I learn. And I think if you know how to combine colors, if you know how to paint on paper, I think you can actually do that in your face as well. So I'm gonna blend this first with this beauty blender. So I'm going to apply a what do you call this? A loose powder. Yeah, a loose powder under my eye. Then so we're gonna do some baking in here, as well on my forehead, and then on this part, as well on this one. Okay, So I'll just need to do my eyebrows, and I'm planning to do a kind of purple eyebrows. So yeah, I'll just need to check on the available palettes that I have here and look for the perfect shade for my eyebrows, and then after that I'll get back to you guys. So I got a lot of colors on this palette, and I decided to pick some colors on this row, which is blue and purples. So I'll just try to be creative on this part so I can make a perfect eyebrows. I'll get back.
So I'm actually editing the video, and it's so funny because I'm having a hard time to draw an eyebrow on top of the eyebrow, if you know what I mean. It looks so funny because the hair is still in there, and I don't know, I think I'm so ugly on this part.
Okay, so I think I'm done with my eyebrows. I use a blue eyeshadow and a purple lip liner because I'm having a hard time to outline the eyebrows with an angled brush, so I need to use some pencils to draw an eyebrows on my face. So if you think that my eyebrows are pretty good, then comment down below. But if you are planning to do a no eyebrow makeup look, I suggest to not use a liquid white glue because it's kind of messy, and also it is very hard to apply an eyeshadow on the top of your eyebrows kasi matigas na yung hair. So if you wanted to hide your eyebrows, I suggest to use the stick glue, the Elmer's stick glue, which you need to roll it so you can get the glue inside. So yeah, so the next thing that I need to do is to apply an eyeshadow. So I'll just need to do that, and I'll get back.
First base, a pink color eyeshadow. Use a clean brush and applied it on a circular motion. I got this technique from watching a lot of videos online, and makeup gurus actually do this to blend the eyeshadow. Just don't mind the light on my face because I didn't notice that my light is too much on this part, so whatever. Next is purple. Applied it on top of the pink eyeshadow that we just did earlier, and then blend it to have an ombre makeup look. Don't forget to apply it on a circular motion. Next is blue color. Just apply the blue color eyeshadow on the corner part of your eyelid, as well on the other side. If you notice on the video, it doesn't look like blue, but it's really a blue color. Then blue-green color. Just blend it on the inner part of your eyelid. Lastly, go back to the purple eyeshadow and apply it on the lower part of your eye.
Okay, so the next thing that I need to do is to contour my nose because I'm not gonna contour my entire face. And then after that, I just need to apply some eyeliners and also falsies. So I decided before I apply an eyeliner and falsies, I'll just apply some highlighters on this part of my face, and then I'm gonna apply some colors on it to look like a mermaid. So I'm going to use this hairnet or net that you have there. If you have a fish net or whatever, you can actually use that. So yeah, I'll just need to do this and then I'll get back.
I used full color highlighter in the shade of gold and applied it on my cheeks and forehead and blended with the Beauty Blender sponge.
So I applied more highlighters, but this time I'm using a powder highlighter. So I'm gonna apply it on my forehead as well. So after I applied highlighter on my face, I'm going to use this net to apply another color on top of the highlighter to look more mermaidy, whatever.
For this part, I used pink, blue, and purple shades to make it more mermaidy. I know, I look so weird.
So I have already applied an eyeliner and falsies on my eyes, and I can't believe it because it's so pretty. This is just my first time doing this mermaid makeup look, and I am so freaking good. So for the lips, I'm so happy with this one. Oops. Okay, so for the lips, I'm going to apply a lip cream, which I do have here, the lightest pink shade that I have. So I'm gonna apply it here, and then I'm going to apply it with a pink lip gloss, which is the Cotton Candy by Sophie. So I'm just gonna apply it right here. This tastes so sweet. So this is the makeup look. By the way, I know that the eyebrow is not that good, but as a first timer, I think I need more practice to do a perfect eyebrows.
So here is the mermaid makeup look, and I know it looks so weird, but pretty as well.
So this is the mermaid makeup look that I just did today, and I hope you like it, guys. If you really love this look, then you can comment down below so I can read all of your comments. I know that my eyebrows are not that good, but I'm still working on it. I think for a first timer, it's not that bad. But anyway, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you like it. Bye!
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.